am Neha Gosavi and I am graduate student and pursuing masters in computer science. This summer I got an opportunity to work as an intern at ADP. So I would like to share my experience with you all. At ADP, I was a Global Product and Technology Intern. ADP is a trusted company that provides cloud-based SCM solution. SCM stands for the Human Capability Management. Also, key products that ADP offers, that is payroll, time and attendance, talent, benefits and insurance, HR services and many more. I worked as a site reliability engineer. The main objective of the team was to improve the reliability, scalability and self-service capability of the system. The work environment followed in the team was agile. In that I worked on the Confluence, Page, Jira, Bitbucket and the Jenkins. If I talk about the Bitbucket and Jenkins, Bitbucket was used for the source control management and the Jenkins was used for the CI/CD. CI/CD. So I had a chance to work on the database migration project on the AWS. So in whole project I worked on this technology. I learned a lot from this technology and it would help me to growth my knowledge towards my master's degree. So the idea was to transfer the database from premises dataset to AWS. In that I got a chance to work on the AWS closely. I got access for the AWS console to work on this project, so that was very beneficial for me. AWS project, in that I had worked on the EC2 instances, and for creating the EC2 instances we had a chance to work on Terraform scripts. So basically for creating the EC2 instances, I have created the module entries in the Terraform file, and that Terraform file I have to run in the Jenkins, so that for that I had a chance to work on the Jenkins also. So the Terraform scripts were used to manage the EC2 instance on the AWS. This, the unit scripts were used to automate the AWS instance, the commands, and I had access to that AWS console where I had to monitor the EC2 instance, to check the logs on the CloudWatch and also manage the containers. Once the EC2 is up and the running, the next task was to create the database using the shell script. And after creating the database, we can go to the schema separation. So my basic responsibility was to fire up the EC2 instance and integrate them with the database instance. So I got a chance to work on whole AWS tool. Throughout the internship, I was involved with the stand-up meetings, backlog reviews meeting, which provide the great exposure towards the agile work environment. Also, hands-on experience with tools, those I have mentioned, Jira, Confluence. One of the experience I want to share with you all, that at the time of creating the EC2 instance, I got a chance to look into the Jenkins and the Bitbucket tools. In that how to how to call the pull request, how to build the code in the local system, how to clone your project, and also I had to check the reviews Jenkins pipeline to identify the error if the error is if the code is getting the wrong. So this was all great experience for me, and this was very new for me. So I learned all these things from my team. I had assigned a mentor to me, so if I had any query or any doubts, or if I had a doubts towards a project, so mentor was very helpful, and my team was also very helpful towards the whole project. Also my manager had a chance uh, to provide me all materials and whatever required for my learning purpose. So I would like to thanks all my HR team, manager and ADP, and also my coordinator to give us a chance to do internship. So thank you everyone.